Wow. We need the rain, but this is too much rain. I'm pretty sure this one's
I guess
gonna.
we won't dump the grass tonight, the rocks tonight.
Oh yeah.
Too late.
Remind me, I have to get my cleaning thing there. You know what I mean? If it's too hot, it gonna evaporate my cleaning stuff. My goodness, this is too much of rain. It it's oh my gosh. You can't even see the road. Did you use this car when you go to Sam's?
Maybe I have tank of gas.
You have to wear seatbelt anyway. Oops. You don't need your bag today, boy. So you can no. Oh yeah, there is some, but you can come here. Okay, your turn there. Yes. I hope the drainage is not gonna stock up. We're gonna flood here. Did you see the bolt? The bolt on that post there? The other one was raised up, the other one was down. The bolt ba? You know, the one in the posts. Oh, oh my Lord. What?
I don't know if they're gonna attack on there.
No.
You didn't, huh? I did, huh?
You need your bow staff?
What?
You need your bow staff today?
No. Better.
You didn't have the thing. Ask Mr. Rivera what time tomorrow? 4:30 still. We have so much rain. So you did not open the water, right? The sprinkler.
No, because we like no rain. Did.
But my other plants is cooked. All the leaves was.
Did the water not bring back some?
I don't know. I put water last
Water
night.
and cool air bring it back.
Yeah. But it's already cooked.
That's a story just like the cat. He came and gone. He brought the flower home, he died.
I thought it's safe there on the porch, but it's too hot. You know, that thing. So, you die. I'm pretty sure you're gonna die. But we are traffic.
This is on one class tonight.
Yeah.
I may run over to Harbor Freight.
Okay, drop us.
Drop
You
you
have
off.
the key, right?
Yeah.
You have to drop us.
Drop you off. I'll run over to Harbor Freight. Drop you right at the front door.
Look how many cars are coming out in here.
Eh, what?
So many cars are coming out.
You have to wait, boy. I'm gonna put you on a umbrella.
Oh, okay.
I'll get you by the curb, Mom. I said, I'll put you up by the curb. I'll circle around. If you open the door, you'll be right underneath the canopy.
Carriage house. Oh my god, you can't even see the sign. Look.